Hello everybody and welcome back to another edition of What's New Wednesday, this time for October 2025. Let's jump right into it. Here's what's new at DSI Automotive this month. Now available from Husky are their smooth bed rail caps and smooth tailgate caps. So these are rolling over from the Bushwacker brand under the Husky Liners brand. So they're now available for select vehicles from Husky Liners. New from the Rag Company is their Air Blaster Mini tool. So this tool packs an impressive power into a small portable design, making it a great choice for detailers who want performance without the bulk. This is a great tool for tackling dust on interiors, tight crevices, and breaking down those loose particles in those embedded floor mats. Now available in that Ranch Hand Legend Series front bumper line is the fitment for those 25 and 26 Ram 25 and 3500s. The part number for that guy is going to be FBD251BLR. New from Gatorback by Truck Hardware is their new GCAA419K Series. So these are designed to fit those 2025 Lincoln Navigators. They are currently available in 3 different styles: no plate, a blank aluminum plate, and a Lincoln logo plate. These also feature a black anodized upper mounting plate. This month, all Husky Liner products are 15% off. That means you can get floor liners, hood shields, aero skin, fender flares, vent visors, even those new tailgate caps and bed rail caps, all 15% off. So make sure to check that out, which is live on our website right now. Our featured accessory product of the month is the Built Bright 15-inch work bar strobe light. So this state-of-the-art lighting solution is designed for vehicles that require high visibility and a commanding presence. Our recon focus for the month is going to be the Tornador tools as well as the foam guns. So a lot of our customers actually don't know that when you purchase a Tornador gun, whether it be the Tornador Original, the Tornador Black, or the Tornador Pro, you do get a free gallon of the Tornado Magic from Automagic. But if the Tornado Magic from Automagic isn't your go-to, we also offer the Tornador branded enzyme cleaner or the EF5 low foam from Carbright. And we do have about 5 different styles of foam guns available. We have ones that connect right to your garden hose or pressure washer. Check those out online at our website under foam guns and sprayers. Our last point this month to make is that WeatherTech's 3rd quarter promotion ends this Friday, October 10th. So be sure to get in your WeatherTech orders by Friday. That's all we got this month. We will see you in the turkey month of November. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.